Hi, today we will talk about Edelweiss Financial Services Limited NCD. Edelweiss Financial Services Limited has come with a public issue of secured NCD. The full form of NCD is non-convertible debentures. The issue has opened on 8th April 2024 and the issue closes on 23rd April 2024. The issue is of around 200 crores. The rate of interest is up to 10.45 percentage. Yes, you heard it right. The rate of interest is up to 10.45 percentage. Credit rating by CRISIL is A plus stable. So the tenor is for around 24 months, 36 months, 60 months, 120 months. Minimum application amount is around 10,000 rupees and it is on first come first serve basis. So who can invest in Edelweiss Financial Services Limited NCD? People who are having a time frame of around 24 months, 36 months, 60 months, 120 months, and who are looking for a better interest rate than their bank fixed deposits can definitely invest in NCDs. To know more about other NCDs, you can call us on 9980 1270. Thank you, friends.